Have you ever wondered about the mystery behind crop circles? What are they, and how did they come to be? These mesmerizing patterns etched flawlessly into fields of grain have been a source of intrigue and speculation for centuries. But what exactly are crop circles? In essence, crop circles are patterns created by the flattening of a crop such as wheat, barley, or corn. The designs can range from simple circles in geometric shapes to intricate, complex formations resembling mathematical fractals and even pictorial representations. The history of crop circles is as fascinating as the formations themselves. The earliest recorded instances date back to the 17th century when they were referred to as mowing devils. The term originated from an English woodcut pamphlet that depicted a devil cutting a pattern into a field of oats. This was believed to be the work of supernatural entities, a belief that has persisted in various forms to this day. Fast forward to the late 20th century and we see a surge in crop circle occurrences both in frequency and complexity. The circles began to evolve into elaborate formations, some spanning over hundreds of feet. Notable examples include the Julia Set formation that appeared near Stonehenge in 1996 and the Milk Hill Galaxy formation of 2001, considered the most complex crop circle ever recorded, with over 400 circles intricately woven into a spiraling pattern. As we delve deeper into the timeline, the complexity and scale of these crop circles seem to escalate, intensifying the mystery surrounding them. Are these formations the work of elaborate hoaxes, natural phenomena, or something far beyond our current understanding? The answer remains elusive, but the quest for understanding continues to captivate us, drawing us into the enigmatic world of crop circles. With the mystery deepening, various theories have emerged to explain the formation of crop circles. The spectrum of explanations is as diverse as our imagination, ranging from natural phenomena to extraterrestrial involvement. Among the natural explanations, some suggest that crop circles could be the result of peculiar wind patterns or earth energies. Supporters of this theory argue that atmospheric phenomena like whirlwinds or dust devils could create circular patterns in crop fields, although this doesn't quite account for the intricate designs often observed. Then there's the human activity theory. This proposes that all crop circles are man-made, with ropes, planks, and a fair bit of artistic skill. The most famous proponents of this theory were two Englishmen, Doug Bower and Dave Chorley. These pranksters confessed in the late 1980s to creating hundreds of crop circles using basic tools, a feat they demonstrated to the media. Their confession debunked many crop circles but didn't entirely solve the mystery. Some circles were too intricate or too large to have been created by the duo, or so the argument goes. Extraterrestrial theories claim that crop circles are messages or markers left by alien visitors. While this theory has its followers, it lacks hard evidence and is largely dismissed by the scientific community. Yet, the allure of the unknown keeps it alive in popular culture. More recently, electromagnetic anomalies have been proposed as a possible cause. This theory suggests that powerful electromagnetic fields could manipulate crops into these patterns. However, this is still a hypothesis in need of more research. Lastly, there's the idea that crop circles are a form of land art or earthworks created by unknown artists for reasons known only to them. While some crop circles have been debunked as hoaxes, others remain unexplained, leaving room for speculation and intrigue. Whatever the cause, crop circles continue to captivate us, drawing us into their geometric embrace, challenging our understanding of the world and reminding us that not everything can be easily explained. Advancements in technology have opened up new avenues for studying and understanding crop circles. Today, drones and satellite imagery provide an eagle's eye view of these mesmerizing formations, offering a new perspective and a wealth of detailed information. Not only do they allow for the accurate mapping and documentation of the circles, but they also reveal the sheer complexity and intricacy of the designs. However, the same technologies are also being employed to create crop circles. With the help of GPS and complex algorithms, artists are now able to craft designs of unparalleled precision and intricacy, further blurring the line between man-made and unexplained formations. Is it a natural phenomenon, a human prank, or the work of extraterrestrials? The jury's still out. What is certain, though, is that the crop circle phenomenon continues to captivate us, and as technology continues to evolve, so too does our understanding and mystery of these intriguing formations. Crop circles are not just physical phenomena, they also intersect with broader discussions about paranormal phenomena, pseudoscience, and skepticism. These intricate patterns have permeated popular culture and media, often igniting debates on their origins. The fascination with crop circles transcends the physical, tapping into our innate curiosity and sparking a sense of wonder. Various scientific studies have been conducted to demystify these enigmatic formations. Some have analyzed soil samples, others have investigated potential biological changes in the affected crops. Yet, despite these efforts, the origins and properties of crop circles remain largely elusive. Moreover, crop circles challenge our understanding of human perception and cognition. They compel us to question the nature of evidence, the value of skepticism, and the power of belief systems. These formations serve as a reminder that not all mysteries can be neatly solved or explained away. As we continue to probe the enigma of crop circles, we are reminded that the search for understanding often leads us to even greater mysteries.